Hey guys, Sumoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you so much guys for clicking. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Guys, today's videos we are going to do or style our locks. And also I want you guys to come with me. Today's Sunday. You know Umoto Lifestyle loves Sunday. We are going to gather, me and you, to do some errands out there. We're gonna do some shopping, grocery shopping. I'm missing things here and there, but I want you guys to come with me. But before that, let's go ahead and style our locks. As you can tell, it's getting crazy, but hey, let's fix it. Okay, come on guys. So guys, how are we gonna style these locks? First of all, we have to spray water. So this is a bottle. It has some water, just plain water, and all I have to do is to spray water before I put an oil on my locks. Okay, so let's go ahead and do spray here to help, you know, kind of moisturize the scalp. Okay, so make sure you focus on the scalp because the scalp is so dry, so you just want to spray the water and also the entire locks. Oh, it's soothing. It feels like that's when the scalp is so dry and you spray water, it feels like something is pulling your scalp. That's how you know your scalp is so dry. And that's always is a good thing. Like every single day you have to hydrate your skin, okay, or your scalp. So, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm not gonna put too much, but at least I'm gonna make sure my locks are wet and the scalp is really, like, now I feel like here it's not wet. So that's what I do. And make sure you massage, make sure the water goes in there. So then my locks are so wet. I still feel like I need to put a little bit here. Yeah, it's just mist. You feel good when you spray. And actually this is what I do. And as you can tell guys, these locks have grown. These locks are 2 years old. So what I'm gonna do after I spray my water, I come up with this wild growth, you know, oil. And I have another one here. It's a Jamaican mango. It's a black castor oil. So I use mostly these two for my hair. So sometimes I use both or sometimes I use one each. So it doesn't matter which one I use, but my favorite is this one because I feel like this one has made my hair to kind of grow so fast. When my hair was little tiny, this wild growth helps me a lot. I'm gonna put a link down here if y'all wanna, you know, you wanna grow your locks or you wanna grow your hair. And at the same time, Jamaican and mango castor oil, especially the one that says mango and lime. I love that one. This one also makes the, you know, the itchy go away, or sometimes it makes the hair, you know, sticky and fresh. So for the sake of the video, I'm gonna use both. So what I do with this, I'm gonna start with this Jamaican castor oil. So I'm gonna put just a little bit. You see how it is? It's kind of goldish and it's so sticky. So that's why I really don't like to put much. So what I do, I go with this thing here, and then I go in there and make sure it goes all over. So make sure you put it in there. You put it in there everywhere. Everywhere it goes in there. Then it's gonna make your hair, you know, grow thicker, grow faster and shiny, and it's gonna be easier for you to style your locks. It makes my locks really easier to style. So I'm gonna make sure it goes everywhere. So far, see, everything is in here. That's enough. And then I'm going to massage it. Make sure it goes entire scalp. Okay, so what it does, let me read for you so that you can understand what is this is a vegan promotes healthy hair and scalp. That's what they say. Helps relieve itchy and scalp. And it's safe and easy to use. That's how they say it here. Of course, it has so much reading here. If you want to go detail the kind of whatever the mixture in here, you can read it. So, but the thing is, Jamaican mango lime, a black castor oil. That's what it is. 100% natural. That's what I love about it. It's a natural thing. Okay, so we're gonna just go in there. So after we're done with castor oil, I'm gonna come up with wild growth. I'm gonna do the same thing with the wild growth. Also has the goldish color, or I can say yellow. So I wanted to do that so to show you how it looks like. But I'm gonna come and do the same with this. Not much, just a little bit. I think that's enough. And then I am going to go in there with my fingertips. And I'm gonna make sure that I'm massaging everywhere, especially the edges, because you want your edges to grow. You know, before I never used to have edges. My edges were really bold. But at the moment I started applying this wild growth, this one right here, my edges start growing so fast. Now I have a hair until here. I used to have hair until here. But that now you can tell my edges are really healthy and they are growing so fast. And my locks, as you can tell, my locks are healthy. They're getting longer. I don't know if I should trim them. I don't know, but they are getting longer. And then after I'm done with this, there's one more thing that I'm gonna use, which is a spray. This is called anti-itchy spray. This spray, it's a product of one lady from Africa. I think she's from Ghana, if I'm not sure, or Nigeria. I think she's from somewhere, or Liberia. She is actually from Liberia, and she has her own product. This is her own product. She has a beauty salon. I have done a couple of videos about this lady on my YouTube channel. Her name is Vachale, 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 and she has her own product. This is a natural product that she made by herself. Guys, this thing, the smell, it's so amazing. What it does, it's anti-itchy. So if I don't want my scalp to itchy, even though the Jamaican castor black oil can do that, but at the same time you want to go ahead, it doesn't matter, you can use only this or you can use only this, okay, or you can use only this. But today, because of the video, I am going to use everything so that guys, you see how it is. So this thing is really a bottle here, and it has a clickable when you lock it and another clickable when you open it. And then here it's a spray, and you don't really spray much, but your aim is on the scalp. So I'm gonna open my locks here and go in there with my spray to make sure the scalp gets everything, because it's anti-itchy, so you don't want your scalp or your locks to itchy. So this is how I protect my locks. So that's enough, and it's oily and it's shining, and I'm so happy that one of my African lady invented this, and this is hers. I'm so proud of her. So she's not paying me to promote her, but I'm using her products. Hey, why not go and support her? If you have an itchy scalp, if you want your hair to grow and smell good, guys, I love the smell. I don't know how I can define it. Let me see. It's like passion fruits or something. It's really smells good. You feel like you're fresh, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and work out and make sure I put my fingertips in here and spray everything coming together. And also this spray, also this one, you can just go here, make sure you spray all your locks, okay? So far that is so good. So my locks are literally done. So from here you can go ahead and style whenever you can. So my locks today, I feel like I need to wear my locks parted in the middle and going straight down, and that's exactly what I am going to do. So I use these little brushes here to kind of part my locks here. I'm not trying to detangle it, but I'm trying just to make it in the middle. And then I'm gonna come here, try to, you know, to comb it a little bit, the edges, to kind of look neat and smooth. But this is one style that I love to wear when I'm not going to work, you know. But when I go to work, I usually wear my locks, you know, backwards or upwards, or styling in a way, because you know you don't want a distraction or something. Okay, so this is how I'm going to wear my locks today. And with this style, you necessarily don't have to wear earrings or whatever, anything. It's just a simple style that you can rock with. Oh guys, what you think? Let me know. Let me know. So I'm gonna make sure, because my hair is getting a growth. Very soon I'm going to interlock, but you just want to make sure it's literally neat. It's literally neat, and my hair is literally actually growing. And also I use this brush to kind of do my eyebrows, guys. Sometimes I do my own eyebrows, but when I see that they are messed up, I've even used the toothbrush. Trust me, this is a toothbrush. It used to be a toothbrush, but now it's my beauty brush. So, and it does really a good job. So if you have a toothbrush that you don't use, you don't necessarily have to go to buy this one, expensive one, whatever. So you can literally use a toothbrush and your eyebrows are looking amazing. Let me know, guys, what you think. And another thing, I don't like wearing eyelashes, guys. One of you guys was asking me like, why you don't wear eyelashes? I don't wear eyelashes because one time I tried to wear eyelashes and my eyes were swollen, so that's why you never see Umoto lifestyle with eyelashes, like fake eyelashes. I don't like that. I like my own eyelashes. I know they're tiny, but I love them. So this is how I like to be natural. So yeah, so this is done. This is I'm going to be ready to go to the store so that I can do some grocery. This video is going to be long, so what I'm gonna do, let this video be me getting ready to go to the you coming with me to run my errands. Part 2, which is a video that is going to come now, you are going to see me heading to the store and doing whatever I'm going, and then we're gonna come back home, and then we are going to cook our favorite food that we love cooking here. Guys, thank you so much for joining me, and thank you so much for always coming here to watch my videos. And if you have not subscribed, guys, go ahead and subscribe, and tell a friend and tell a friend and a friend, and also tell them this is lady, her name is Umoto Lifestyle. She is from Africa, Kenya, but now she lives here in the US for so many years, and she's bringing you content from the US. Okay, and guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.